Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. Today we will talk about randint from random module in Python programming. At first, we want to use randint. So I write here in that line from random import randint, this line of code to use randint from the module random. After that, I write here r equal, r is a variable, equal randint, and between two parentheses I write 1, 5. After that I write print, and between two parentheses r this r. So what is the meaning of that lines of code? That means the program it will choose a random number from 1 to 5. Let's run. It choose number 1. Let's run again. Choose number 3. Run again. It choose 5, and so on. So it will, to summarize what I say, this randint, and between two parentheses I write the start number and the end number. So I give this two numbers, the start and the end, and it will begin with number 1 and end with number 5. So it will choose random number, integer number from those numbers from 1 to 5. So if I change those numbers from 20 to 50, for example, those numbers, it will choose a random number, integer number from 20 until or to 50. So let's run. It chooses 35. Let's run again. Chooses 40, and so on. So this module, we use it for to choose a random integer number from those numbers, and I write the start number and the end number. And this code, we can use it for website to choose a random password to sign up for Facebook, YouTube, any other website, or we can use it in any games, video games, for example. And that's it. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video, and subscribe for more videos, inshallah.